Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, did you know that this ChatGPT is not only the AI that can help you, let's say, get the information or do some tasks or maybe generate the picture. Actually, this ChatGPT can be your life companion, specifically to have you the consultation, let's say, about the diet, workout, and also the fitness. Ooh, how's that possible? Yes guys, don't worry, because in this video I will show you how to access the facilities to have the consultation with this ChatGPT. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can access this ChatGPT whether that from the website like this, chatgpt.com, or even access it by install it from the, let's say, Play Store or maybe the App Store in your smartphone. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email, and after that you can open this sidebar and you can explore the GPTs. With which section that we can find this consultation of this stuff? Well, actually you can find it from this lifestyle category, and after that you'll find it here, fitness, workout, and diet PhD coach. It will help you, let's say, improve quickly about your health maybe, and also you can choose the conversation starters. For example, build the scientific workout plan, and also the quick analyze of your diet. And for example, you can start to have a chat with this GPT, and it will direct you into this section. And for example, I will show you the personalized information or the thing that I want to ask to this GPT. Hi, I have the overweight right now. I'm now 80 kilograms since I did not do workout since October 2023, and I had the poor diet. And I asked directly, can you help me to give the realistic plan to have the fat loss until 20 kilograms? At least I want to turn to be 60 kilograms in a year. Is that possible? And this is the response of this GPT. Yes, losing 20 kilograms in a year is absolutely realistic and healthy when done systematically, and it will help you to outline about the reason scientifically. So this kind of the counselor for you, not to give the the over promises or over hype something that can promise you, I can give you the strategy to give you the simple step to have the fat loss until 20 kilogram within, let's say, in a month. That's not realistic guys, because you'll see that this GPT will give you that this is the realistic thing to have the fat loss. For example, a half until 1 kilogram per week, and you'll see that is the details like the correspond to daily energy deficit of the 500 and 750 kilocalorie. And this will be the nutrition strategy, and also the workout framework and diet optimization. And also this is the recovery and habit strategy. And as you can see that this GPT is not giving the general strategy, but it can be more personalized, because before that this GPT to create the strategy, this always asked me before about the personalized question. For example, if you're ready, let's begin by typing this build scientific workout plan. And as you can see, this is the first question that they asked me about the current fitness level. For example, I choose the intermediate, and this is the second personalized question about the fitness goals. I want to have a fat loss, and also the available equipment and facilities. For example, I do the home workout, and this is about the health and medical consideration. Do you have any injuries or health concern that might affect your ability to exercise? And thank God I have nothing concerned. And also the routine and statistic, how many days workout that you can do in a week, let's say 4 days in a week, and also how many minutes, hours for each workout session. And you can also put the optional information, for example, the age, height, gender, and also another relevant information. And actually, I put a little bit mistake, or this answer was not really complete. So you can also answer every single question over here to get the personalized workout plan. And after that, this will be the weekly workout plan that has been made by this GPT. For example, this is the day 1, day 2, and day 4. And this is the day 5 and day 6 until 7. And this is the additional guideline and also the additional note. So you can always continue to build the conversation to have the specific information about your health or about your diet and also your workout plan. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this GPT fitness, workout, and diet PhD coach. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.